Me don't know what them a pre-bout. A keynote. Can't press me like remote. Them say them a clean, but I like that. Me a step up in a left, them I like that. Me a burn them out like newspaper. Put a fire upon a hater. After me try so hard, then want me feel, want me pop down and lose my faith. Them no want hear me mother drink sorry. Every day.
So guys, blessed love, blessed love, blessed love. Hope you're having a wonderful day anywhere you are. Welcome to Kina Life in Jamaica. So today, I'm going to play my floor bill. That's the reason why I'm here in Arthur Street today. Which is my floor bill, which is my internet bill. Yeah, so today I'm going to pay my internet bill. So I'll stop off here in Arthur Street. Usually I don't pay online because I don't trust this online system, so I don't do online payment, so I'm just going inside the store. But it's like it's going to rain today. I forgot that one. It's a rainy day in Georgia. So we're in the Pavilion Plaza in Arthur Tree. Under all this machine still. Alright, I guess I can go and use this one. Road clear. So welcome to the wonderful Arthur Tree, guys. So welcome to the wonderful Arthur Tree on a busy day as usual. Very busy. Kids getting home from school. Your school kids. This is when all the school kids them is out going home from school. We have a transport center over there. You get all your buses them for go, not anywhere, because you're not getting a bus from over there for go Ochi. Not over there. You get your bus them for go locally here in Kingston. Somewhere in Kingston. And so I never go share. Windy today. Try to fix my at one way and at a blow off the next way. So you know the things are already. All this way the railway bus them. The app bus. Okay, so you get all the bus them. Don't say. So guys, so this is where you get all the buses to go downtown. This is a downtown bus. Straight downtown. Yeah, town crossroad. See how the thing goes already. You come half a tree and you want to get a bus to come downtown, you have to come where the clock is. The clock is over there and that's where you get your bus from to go crossroad or downtown. Police are pull over that one here. Can't get to it, you know. Officer yo said ticket. Monster boss. Monster boss, you don't remember me, you know? Oh. Remember for them days, Jamaica good life, man. Yeah, man. Why dancing and go on? Cool, no one. So you know, say, I know I'm gonna stop at the same thing with them and same. Why new dance you have? Why new dance you have? Red bongs. Big up yourself. No, monster boss.
Don't forget, come Zero pound four, 0 pound tablet, 0 pound 0 pound 20, 0 pound juice.
Juicy beef, refurbished. The refurbished juicy beef. The juicy beef is refurbished. Let me go check the juice, man. Long time I get a juice from him. Oh, go on. It's been a while, man. Yeah. It's been a while. Yeah, juice now. Which one me can get? It's been a while I haven't got a juice from you, a long time. Very long time. You know one with the L2 one. Seeds. One, give me the fruit one, give me a fruit one. With little seed in it as well too. Guys, I don't know if you remember this face or this spot from the longest while. You know, from Jamaica good life days. When we come here and highlight this moody man. You put that oats. How much years ago that the last time we come here? About 2 years ago though. Very long time. So I'm still up and running same way. Still up and running same way. Got breadfruit. We have all the seeds, pumpkin seeds. That is, this one is called the healthy fruit pack. Yes, so the healthy fruit pack is right? 100%. Tell them exactly where you're located.
Right outside Clock Tower and the Windwall Mountain Tax.
Yeah, I'm saying they're literally right beside the gate at Clock Tower. If you're inside Clock Tower and you come outside where Windwall Road is, a turn right and you see him right in the shelter. Right there. You see there? Natural. How much is it?
Your one that.
My one that?
Yeah, man.
Oh yes, man. Give thanks.
Just highlight them.
Yeah.
Want to do work.
But yeah, man, I'm not busy I do it, man. I work, you know. You see me? You know the thing there. Yeah, man. We'll give thanks here, me, you know. I don't know, so we like for support and the man I try, you know. And I like the way you're trying, so we'll give thanks. You know. You want to give a long time I don't come give you our support, so we want to give you the support. Respect, see me. So guys, I see there. Natural from Jamaica. Good life. It's been a long time I haven't been to this side. Natural, no sugar added. Pure fruits. Big up, you know?
Yeah, man.
Big up. Pure fruits. So see there. This is Windward Road. Up Hope Road. And you have the clock tower gate right there. So if you come out from inside, they can come right and find you. So you're coming from that direction, it's right underneath the shed right there. So can't hide.
Give him a bill. Everything.
Healthy something, you know? Healthy. So this is what key now. Drinks, you know. I'm not saying on a daily basis.
So why you have two
You know,
covers in your
I drink it when I can. I'm not gonna tell lies, so I'm drink this every day. No, not every day. Sometimes. Only sometimes. Look over back up and I. Oh yeah, run now. Browning. What? You call me when me at work again. You call me when me at work again.
I wish part of the video, I not see video.
You know, hey, excuse me, if you talk to the lady like that. Wait, give me again. I'm not giving you anything, brother. You don't speak to the lady like that.
No, I'm tell her sorry.
No, too late. Too late. Leave my camera alone. Work, you know.
I not see the video.
Can you not watch my channel? If you watch it, you'll see it.
Where's the name?
Stop, listen. You need to stop run from me when you see me, right? Stop run from the camera. What? Come here. Eh? No, you see? Guys, I tell her my name, you know, and she just call me Ramon. Who the hell is Ramon? Is Ramon on your mind? Eh? Look at me when I'm speaking to you. No. Listen, stand up. I'm going to tell you something name. So you give me a right, you give me the worst part. You say you head backwards. Turn around. Alright, now video. Look. Stop video. I'm going to tell you something name.
Yes, sir?
Eh?
My number?
So how you going to see the video?
What's that? Some Arnium.
Arnium? Who gave Arnium? You say I'm crying, you see yourself I'm going to prison. There's no R, no far R up on my letter. I give a K name. Kevin. Oh, you hell if you see the video. If you
No, I'm not see the video. That means tell us me.
Can you tell her the name, I never write it down, you never subscribe. Instead of Kino.
Kino? Where Kino?
Life in Jamaica.
Oh.
So you're going to see the video? You're not going to see it. So where your phone? How comes you don't have data? You must have data for your phone. No?
Hello, handsome. Just no opinion on something real quick, sir.
Kino?
Yeah, K-I-N-O. K-I. See that? No? I know that you know. It's K-I. K-I. Why don't you listen when people talk? I said
K-I-N-O?
Yeah. See there. To the K-I. I said again, mother trouble? So you don't even subscribe.
But I'm to subscribe. I'm not
which one was yours again? I think it's tell you which one. You just see what I'm got in the videos. I think I don't get one of cooking the food with the elders. This one. Here in that one.
I put second slide
Yeah, this one here. Service
Oh,
slow.
so you have to food for the homeless?
Yeah, food for the homeless.
And get big food though.
Of course. My feet well. The data more slow. It's more slow. But you gotta see a cop here, so I stop first. I start. This is what I'm there, sir. But I start still. Yeah, go see yourself. Oh,
Yeah, then on some of that is one.
Rose are rose. From IT and fancy them. So that's when it's starting.
What's that? What do you call subscribers?
See, now I'm heading up here.
Oh, really? What more?
No? See you. So watch it. So go see yourself again. So she see me and she don't even remember my name. So now, flow. So here's where I pay my bill. Alright, so guys, so the bill has paid. So yes, that's why I get in this video, because my internet bill is being paid. So my internet bill never paid. Who do you get this video at all? Right, so that is it. You need to pay your bill, you know. So I pay my bill. So now you're watching me on your TV or your smartphone, whichever one you're watching it on right now. So I'm gonna head back to my car and then head down back in Trenchtown. All is well. Yeah? You get 2 calls the other day? Yeah. See it there. Yeah. Big up the herbal man. Yeah. Well, I'm glad you get 2 calls, you know? Yeah. So it's a good program we always try to help out, you know? The herbal man. Mango, everything. So now you have some mangoes and things. Yeah. Oh. Big up the herbal man. Get 2 calls. I mean. Them go and continue, go and call and go and get. We are St. Elizabeth. We are St. Elizabeth? I was sending again. Okay. So I tell me they have a rider coming. Oh. Sometime, yeah. What is? Red water grass. Red water grass? Pressure arthritis. Oh, this one good for pressure as well? Yeah, pressure arthritis, sugar. Because you know the water grass them. Yeah. We've never seen the red one before. Yeah, the red one. I used to use the water grass to feed my pig. Yeah. The regular water grass? Yeah, the regular one is. Yeah. Give grass seeds here. This is the red one. Yeah, I mean, that is it.
Yeah, pass through.
Yeah? I pass me there, I pass through. Go pay my internet bill, you know?
Yeah.
Oh, what's this? Oh, busy. Oh, busy thing.
On the line, this is not there.
Nothing, yeah.
This is
Thinking. Oh.
simple.
Thinking to juice and everything. You know what I mean? So, herbal man with the healthy things. So this first, we said the red water grass. You know? So you know the thing. It's all healthy stuff here. Good for you. So anything you're suffering from, the herbal man know the plan. Right? Anything you're suffering from, the herbal man know the plan. You know, and that is that. Alright, pick up yourself. Yeah? Well. Blessed love, guys. Blessed love. So I'm back here now in Trenchtown. Come on, Esther. Come on, back here now in Trenchtown, and you know I'm gonna walk and give out some donation. Today is the walk and give out day. You know. So I give out some donation today. What twin? They say I build a house off him. Eh? Not today. Thing not go on. One match alone you lose. Hey. Alright. Perfect. Come, go on. Yes. So you see one door there. Boom behind the mic. There. Can I walk and give out 1 and 2 donation a day? Yeah. And I have one for you as well.
Yeah, buy the
So, I have $5,000 a year for you from Nikki from the USA.
Nikki from the USA. Nikki from the USA. Blessed and one love. Thanks.
Counting up to 5.
1, 2, 4, 5.
Maybe ladies that make you get nervous, you know.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Oh, see, she said the mango straight away.
Right away.
No, man. Yes, guys, so. Hey, Rock. Oh, you got to trim?
How come I know?
No, because Boom I get him donations same time she sell mango.
Jesus Christ.
You see me, so she have pressure enough to buy. Yeah, so I got $5,000 a year for you from Nikki from the USA.
Alright, Nikki from the USA.
Yeah.
God bless you and keep the guide, yeah?
Yes. Now we have Esther Campbell here. Oh no, let's keep the donation here for perfect. Perfect. You had to sleep?
No.
Oh. Perfect. Yeah, I got $5,000 a year for you as well too. From Nikki from the USA. You know, 5,000 a year for you.
Nikki from the USA. Enough love, enough thanks. Really appreciate it. Bless up yourself. May the good Lord bless you and guide you, you know?
Yeah.
Enough love. Thanks again.
Alright, then give thanks. So, I will make a walk in there because I'm going to give Amigo get a hearing aid for him. So the cable man, they go over there?
Yeah, him fix it. Can't go over there, so I go see.
Yes.
To them come link me to him.
So that means when we put on the hearing aid, man can hear him TV then?
Yeah.
Of course. And you Felicia one at the same time. You know. Alright then guys, so you know, so we're gonna walk. We have Damar, we have Felicia, we have Rasta Jackson as well too. Ah, Posey, cool no? We have Rasta Jackson, Posey as well too. And we have Amigo, and we have Damari. So we have a couple stops to go and make. You know, so we're gonna do it quick and fast because as you can see, the sky is overcast, not sure if it's gonna rain. What you are saying, Madu? Oh. Right now my house full of mango. I'm gonna eat them. Full. Yeah, come on. Take me, I take it from you right now upon my street today, you know. Take everything from you, you know. I mean, take everything. So, boom. Boom no get a bag, you know, boom get one. Boom no buy one. Can you sell them by the bag? So how comes that? Eh? If you want to walk, eh? No much a bag.
5 bills in me money, me have to go back with the money, so I can't hold.
She get me, so I get back me back to her, you know.
So you see me and support them, you know. And you never see me take anything on camera. You say, you never see me take anything on camera. So guys, so you see there, so I have to go pay my bill right here on camera before. Endo, rest this dog inside if they come back now, please.
How this?
I don't just buy them from.
How much is them for?
Me just have a big mango tree in our yard.
You know, sir.
So, give me the $100.
You never owe you nothing. You really walk and sell the mango for buy a mango? Are you on our hustle? It's too early. Exactly. Imagine that. No star. Oh man. Of Teresa. Teresa. What's your number? Wait, end with again. 6788. No. Yeah? She hear me? Give me one. What is a quick shower? I want, right? Yeah. Cut, you have to cut yourself. No, sir. You have 8,500 a year for you from Will. No, from Canada. 8,500 from Will.
Thank you, Will, from Canada. Thank you very much. And may God bless you and keep you.
Alright then, so we give time. Boom! Alright. Eh? Well, I'll go up, so we got Felicia. I'll go Wow Chef. We'll go Wow Chef, come through the yard back, Felicia. But we there, we go. And we have Rasta Jackson. Yeah. And we have Rasta Jackson for go. You have Rasta Jackson number?
No, no phone.
Yeah, no phone. Alright.
Yeah.
Talpe. Talpe rolling in.
No, I see it, you know?
Yeah. Cool man. Good thing I saw you too. I have 2 donations here for you as well too. We have 5,000 here for you from Nikki. From the USA.
Nikki, all for blessing and all for respect, you know. All for respect,
Yeah. And also we have a $3,000 as well too from Jen from Canada.
Jen from Canada, all for love, you know. All for respect, you know. As you see Vicky, you know, hit me up on, you know.
Yeah. Cool.
Like a man, you know.
Yeah. Standing tall.
James team support, you know.
Yes.
Yeah, blessed dog, you know.
Yeah.
One love.
Standing tall. Yeah, Kingo. Oh, they are going to give out 1 and 2 things at the place, you know.
Try out the food.
Yeah. You try out the food.
Yeah, try it.
Oh, that. One Shaggy Paul. Oh, boy. World.
Dream team.
You know,
Tina, go and big up yourself, you don't know.
Cool, man.
I Shaggy Paul this, you know.
Yes.
Yeah. Lyrics daddy, you know.
Yes.
Instant pan spot.
Aye.
Yeah.
Just like that.
Trenchtown City is calling, everybody got to be here, yeah?
Yeah. Trenchtown City is calling.
Like Tina, you go on up on tour and go on.
Yeah.
I like the thing, you know.
Alright, cool. Whoa, you know? Yes. Wow, Chef. I have a donation here for you towards your marvelous project. You know, we have 10,000 here for you from Marcia. From the UK.
From the UK. Thank you very much, you know. For the project I go and see, you know. Great, I'm a favorite tea, you know.
Favorite?
Yeah, man. I'm a favorite, man, you know.
Yeah. Neem.
Very small, you know. They have to do the project more fast and do it, man, you see.
Yeah,
man.
Felicia.
Mix with the bitters, you see me I say?
Yeah.
Straight.
Just like that. Felicia. Felicia. Yes, so. Yeah, man, so we give thanks to Marcia for the wow chef, you know.
Marcia, big up on
wow chef with him flavoured tea.
Thank you very much, Marcia.
Yeah.
Yeah, man.
With him
yeah, man, Marcia, we're not going nowhere yet, man. I see the project, man. Yeah, man. So, then I see him, we are all the ground, seeing him, Marcia. Thank you very much, man.
Now we have Felicia. Phil, what's going on?
I'm here.
How is everything?
Everything alright.
Hope you're having a wonderful day. You know the thing goes already. So they are passed by a drop off a donation as well to have here for you. I think it's 1 or 2. It's 2, right? We got 2 donations here for you. So we have 8,500 here for you from Cosmore and Muriel from the USA. 8,500 here for you.
Cosmo Amiral.
And Muriel.
Thanks to Cosmo Amiral.
No, Cosmore and Muriel.
Thanks to Cosmo and Amuriel.
Yeah. Yes, 8,500. And we have another one here as well too from Marcia, as well too from the UK. This is $10,000 here for you from Marcia from the UK.
Thanks to Marcia from the UK. Thanks a lot. You put back never run dry.
Yes.
Everything.
Alright then, so we give thanks to Cosmore and Muriel. You know, thank you so much for blessing Felicia and also Marcia in the UK. You know, so how is everything going on with you?
Everything is alright so far.
Yeah.
The dialysis today.
Yeah? And you feeling alright?
Yeah.
What about the insured the other day? It work?
Yes.
Yeah? Them finish now?
Yeah.
Okay then. So she tell me say she'll get some more for you. So whenever she sends some more, I'll come and drop them off for you. I ain't gonna make you feel anyway, right?
No.
Okay then, so it works fine for you. Alright then, Fish, let's go on with the faith save me, yeah?
Yeah.
Alright then, take care. Oh, that, my friend, Dad. She did get that one there. Alright, can I go through? Hello. I go over amigo. Yeah, amigo like over there, so. Alright, that's it. No, whoa. Yeah. And look how I say, she may have one for as well, you know. Oh, go on, Mama.
Learn from certain mistakes and do
Where the boy there? Oh, I have one donation for you as well, yeah? So it's calm when I'm there, yeah?
Friday.
Friday.
Oh, good day.
Oh, Olivia again? Okay. Hello.
Remember the face here? Yes.
All right. Building them's going up. Hello.
I give a peer word like the boy go to the place.
So I will be aside. I know say you can walk around the sun coming, but I never sit down and get glory. So.
Yeah man, the movie.
I'm wait till more again.
Somebody step on the
Yeah man, can't go and type party.
Amigo.
Yeah man, like in the bar.
It was always look good.
Cable.
Go up on the side and that one. Tell me about bench.
Sabi. Amigo have cable now.
Yeah man, eh? Yeah. Alright, you know. But it's more, they go back, you know.
Upon this, from one to another. Amigo!
Yeah.
Today, we got something for you.
Yeah.
Because guys, we have Miss Sunshine as well. We have Miss Sunshine from the USA. Yeah. Miss Sunshine from the USA sent an earring here for Amigo. You know?
Grateful.
Yeah, so we have a grateful for Miss Sunshine here.
Sunshine, we give thanks, yeah? Because that is very grateful, you understand and considerate.
Yes. From Esther, big up Miss Sunshine.
I'm Sunshine, big up, and thanks for the hearing aid for
Amigo. Boom down the mic, big up Miss Sunshine.
Miss Sunshine. Well, me and Louis, I'm glad how Amigo get it. Yeah, man. See it, I love it. Thanks. Yeah, blessed one love.
Amigo, I get blessed now. So right now, guys, you know, Amigo, I'm getting cable. Before it wasn't working, so he got this cable installed, you know. And we get this prefect for Amigo from his Sunshine, him hearing aid.
Yeah, Miss Sunshine. Really appreciate it. You know?
Yeah.
Thanks. Yeah. Because this now we help him a lot. Can hear where we are setting.
Yes.
So bless up yourself and stay safe.
Yeah.
One love.
Watch him face.
Smile.
Amigo.
Yeah, very good.
See this?
Yeah. Yeah. Well, that's very good, you know, everything, you know. Yes, ma. That name, you know.
Yeah.
Very good, that would for me. That's it. Yeah.
I wish I made me already open. I'm gonna put that one there, but don't open already. Let me see for that one there. No, not for that one there. Other one now. Same can you? Yeah, it is battery. Yeah, we take out one already, so like that one there. Open this now. Put in this, Amigo. So him so can hear still. Yeah. But that is people. Let me see. It has some point already. Let me turn it on. I put it in first, they will turn it on.
This go in and here.
Yeah.
And then this go around. So.
Turn it on?
Yeah. Okay, let me see. This is a B. Oh, it's a B for the left.
Oh.
I think I like so. Okay, this is for the behind.
The behind me.
Turn on. Amigo?
Yeah.
You hear me, brother?
I hear what I can't go. I'm not bad now.
So you are here now?
Yeah.
You are here now? Alright.
Yeah, look a bit too tight, you know, see?
Yeah.
Nah, you're clear, you know.
But you are here. Alright, put in another one. Put in another one then. Since I'm here, open this.
Yeah, move out.
So if I put the battery in this one?
Well, much real bad. I don't go back to that, you know.
Yeah.
The other one there, you know, other one them collect mash up, you know.
Relax, mash it up.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, kalau one another year, go in and boy, much yet. One going to the thing.
Yeah. Check.
I'm not getting out of the kill him, I'm not killing him.
Check. Yeah. It's like a mic.
I'm not getting out of the kill him, I'm telling you, with the good, you know, with the corn arm or, you know, them water party, you know, yeah.
say, come like say. A two right.
A two right?
Two left, I mean.
Turn it around the other way.
You can hear me?
Ah, yeah.
You hear me better now, no?
Yeah.
How you go? How you sound?
Yeah.
But it come like say it's two left. Is it two left?
Yeah. Yeah, that one in a trench, that war, you know.
Okay, the one that hang
Yeah.
and the one that over him ears.
That 2 years to that one, and the one, yeah, both, you know.
I don't want to right in my ear from him.
Yeah.
Oh, so that means him say the left ear is damaged more. Wait, so the left ear, that this ear is damaged more.
Yeah.
Oh, so yeah, ear now over this side, amigo.
Yeah.
Okay, alright, turn up the TV then. Let me say you can hear the TV. Turn the TV up.
Yeah, good.
Can I hear TV?
Can I hear the TV?
Yeah.
Can I hear it?
Yeah.
It's nice to meet you. Nice to see you at the fire pit.
Give him some more value. Listen. Yeah, I hear it now. Alright, amigo. I'm safe. Mute it back. I'm telling him over tank. Amigo.
Yeah.
Thank sun says sunshine, thank you.
Yeah.
See man.
Let me remember there.
Amigo.
Yeah.
Amigo? Amigo.
Yeah.
Says sunshine, thank you.
Yeah.
Sunshine.
Let me remember.
Amigo, you hear we want to say sunshine? Sunshine?
Yeah. Let me remember.
How am I use the mirror for?
What anyway?
Oh,
I use the mirror for turning
turn on TV.
Alright, see it there?
We know that trick there, amigo.
Yeah.
Alright, says sunshine. Sunshine.
Yeah.
I wonder if him ears want syringe. One plunge.
Amigo.
Yeah.
One for tank sunshine.
Amigo.
Yeah.
Sunshine, thank you. Amigo. Hey, Luz.
Whatever.
Eh? It's in my ear, no? But it's not here fully.
Not here fully. I not understand.
That's in here, we don't get the match up the belt. I said, use a man lip narrow and get enough.
Ama. Oh, same use a ama mash up your ears?
The ama.
Ama.
Yeah. I'm not trying to get people kill him, man. I'm not doing it. Over here, man. 5 bullets in I got enough. I see, that's a boy I must go around for them. It's about the I want to think about him gear. The game and kill me, you know.
Amigo. Amigo. What's your name?
Yeah.
What's your name? Where your name? Where your name?
I mean here?
Yeah.
Carol.
So Carol, who are you for tank?
Sunshine.
Yeah.
Sunshine?
Eh?
You hear sunshine?
Say sunshine.
Sunshine.
Who are you for tank?
Sunshine.
That.
Amigo. Sunshine.
Yeah.
Hey guys, but as I say, I test it myself and it's properly loud in my ears so I could hear it. So
what about Amigo?
It seems like Amigo ears is more damaged than what we think, you know?
Amigo, you have cold?
Yeah.
Much a bag?
It's alright, you know.
Much a bag?
Yeah.
Amigo, much a bag for cold?
Yeah.
No, man, so much he cold.
Yeah.
Amigo.
Alright, sir. He's right in the jump with
we eat here, deal with it.
So you come like say inside
What you say?
one proper syringe.
You say what?
Okay, listen, him can't go up on the road in a wheelchair and can't hear anything. You know, you can't go up on the road. Amigo.
Yeah, we just relax.
You have to just relax.
Relax and take it as it comes.
Yeah. But him can't hear. He might hear when car beep him and this and that.
What's it about that? I'm to screecher man right so. I'm the next one to screecher.
I'm not you that one,
So I'm just alright. Are you tell the one they want to screecher? I'm to screecher man.
Do the guy?
No, screecher man I live around there, so screecher man. You're a brother next. Look, you're a brother.
Oh, my brother?
Yeah.
I'm going to make people come in, you know.
Yeah, man. That
yes,
more.
I done more, and you know, say it.
Oh, my, you look out to that one. You look out to that one for 2 months, you know. Oh.
Amigo.
Yeah.
I'm going now, yeah?
Yeah.
Alright?
Alright.
Amigo. Oh, the coal. How much your bag of coal? How much your bag of coal?
What?
How much your bag of coal?
Eh?
How much your bag of coal?
No, man.
God, Amigo, man.
Yeah, good enough.
You see, like, in my ears. Yes, guys, so as I may say, it seems like his ear is more damaged than what we think, you know? Because he only hear some things, not everything. No. My hear some things, not everything, you know?
Yeah, them man are there.
We put 2 ear in here, then 9 ears, yeah? So, it have battery as well to another box, so you can take a look on it, yeah?
Yeah, man, to something put in these.
Yeah. Test. Why? Why? How much for Jackson yard there? Run so? How much for Nairo yard you see there? Oh, run set there? Oh, the whole run so?
Take them man for the whole road.
And the whole
of them space there. Nah, man. Carl bro, they say, and man, sister, they say.
Okay, they know Soji. You know Soji, son.
Why? You know Soji, son?
Yes, the Soji, son.
Come in and put a ganja and come and put on that and come in and why? Man, still a sweet.
Why? Why am I going?
Man, put on a pants and a shirt and come in, my youth, man.
So where Jackson gate there?
See that? See that?
Oh. Why? Why?
On the ground.
We're there up on the ground.
Oh,
we're there.
is it?
I first I come to Jackson yard.
First me come in here. So you have to bless up the Rasta.
Yeah. Why?
Is it?
Oh yeah, sweep up.
Yard clean though, you see how the yard clean?
Yeah.
Presentable, I like it.
Rasta Jackson. Hey, Rasta Jackson, the first. Oh, lime pan tree. Yeah. Yeah. Jackson have the lime tree in my yard. Yeah. And that's the first time I come to Jackson yard. Yeah. Jackson. You see there? Guys, so we are Jackson yard. We are Rasta Jackson. Oh, Jackson, you got what? Well, guys, you see why we say all the members them is really in need. You know? That's why we're taking our time to try to help them one at a time, you know, because they can see. the situation, you know, because you might see them as the Jackson always a laugh and a dance and not knowing how Jackson is living, same way, you know. Just like how you have Rasta mess the same way.
Yeah.
You know, look on Jackson door, guys. Just look at Jackson door. Just look. You know, look at Jackson place. You know, look at Rasta Jackson place. You know, him don't even have a proper lock. Seriously. See what I'm saying? That's why I say, yo, there's so much of the members them is really in need of the help, you know. So that's why we're trying our best to try to help one. You know, one at a time, you know, it's like we'll finish off whole chef, and then we have we have Jella, we have Boom, we have Rasta Jackson, we have to just help them, you know, try to give them a quick fix up, same way, you know, because as you can see, this is gonna need fixing up for Rasta Jackson also. Yeah. Hey. I say we have to come to blessing, see me, you know. We really have to come to blessing.
About 50 feet up here, all our pants and shirt.
Yeah.
So like, as the extended family. Spite our life, you know, country. People always try to put the best outside.
Yeah.
I'm saying them don't have the mind. Thought to do it. You know?
Yeah,
take
true.
a long road, but just you have to take time till you get there.
Yeah.
So I just circle extend.
Jackson fence took like a long time, have it up as well, too, you know.
I've been having polish.
And get some polish.
Last time, you know, she
Jackson have the original window them and everything. Hey. So you see, a whole heap of work we have to do here in Trenchtown now. Why? You see?
Yeah.
And I say, boy, they say everybody need the strength. It's no joke. You know? Jackson's got a lot of hole in your house stuff as well, man. You get leak? In the rain?
What do you wait up a day in the one place and leak, what do you rain fall? In the leak, no time you watch it go fall hard. And some places never that leak, you see it leak all out. The
amount of light to me I see look like I'm looking at stars in the skies. The amount of hole on me I see right now look like a star me I look on the sky. No joke, you know. But looking at this Jackson from here, from where I'm seeing it from, and I know the viewers them seeing the same thing. It look like I'm looking at stars. The amount of hole with the lights them want to come through Jackson. No joke, boy. No joke, man. Now we see Rasta Jackson. I laugh and I give the most joke and everything, and look at Rasta Jackson situation, you know. Even though look, him keep him yard clean, see him sweep up, you know, and make sure so the yard sweep up, him have him lime tree him ready, him pick him lime. So I guess Rasta Jackson shower right here. Rasta Jackson at the yard in the yard you be too. Jackson, in here say you be too.
Yeah, right, so be it.
Right here, so Rasta Jackson. This is Rasta Jackson bathroom right here. Also.
Yeah, man, it's a beard, man. Look a piece of wood there.
Oh.
Yeah, a piece of wood on the store.
Jaja.
Yeah, just a sweet pan, you know?
Yeah. I see it there, so. The help is needed, you know, as you can see. The help is really needed, guys, you know, to helping out our brothers, you know, our family, you know. As you say, man, each and every one members of them need help, and then they giving out the help, see me helping out each other, see me, you can see them condition, see me what they're going through, you know. Just imagine the whole chef, you know, and everybody and boom, you know, so situation is there, man, you know.
Man, you don't know style the power plant this till it. You know, so we need current, you know. Yeah, man, I want movie, you know. Yeah, man, any more movie. Any more movie, I must be an actor from Hollywood. Yeah, man. Yeah, man.
It's in the power plant till it gone.
Yeah, man, we are telling you.
Yeah, a donation. Esther, pass that one there for me. Jaja. You see, brother need help here, you see?
What? Yeah, man. Everybody need help.
Everyone.
Take your time and do what we can.
Yeah, one step at a time, boy. Jackson, I have $5,000 a year for you as well, too. From Nikki. you know, from the USA. You know, from Nikki from the USA. 5:30.
USA, yeah, this time come to every time. That's 5 blessings every time. Right now, time coming time every time. More blessing every time.
Yes.
Yeah, love every time.
Yeah, what? Yes, guys, as I can see, the situation is well needed, you know, so we have to help each other, you know, help out the member them one step at a time, you know. So after worship now, we're going to decide who we're going to help after the worship, you know, because there's so much, you know, era project as well to need to finish as well too. So there's so much, you know, so that's why me and Shaggy Paul as well to say my builder, we have to give him a talk too, you know, because Shaggy Paul say him can build them work here as well, right?
My military lean a while on a second or so.
You say my what? My military, my somebody running a war?
Lean a wall.
Oh. Can be the one a second place, so all gone. I'm some Milton and Shaggy Paul build stuff. Then Shaggy, you know you're a good builder, you know. When you follow Milton, go and I tell you, one lane, brother. I for straighten it out, no Shaggy. I watch your face, but I have it on the ground, man.
I'm trying nothing. Because as I say the piece, military leans, I can't do, but you have a man like naturally. Him are the man, so we have to just learn the basic.
Yes.
No.
So him can catch on.
Right.
So him have to just come around and catch on.
Yeah.
Right. So as I say, we're gonna need the strength because we can't always. I got to naturally have to do film work as well too. So yeah. So when natural is not around now, we can't have others. We can just jump in and play for them parts same way. You know, because then I got the work. The work is really cut out here in Trenchtown, trust me. You know, the work is cut right out. You know. What table cover, man? Damn. Oh, somebody target you?
No.
Eh? Jenna. All is well. They have something for you, you know, 3 million, 3.5 million put on for you.
Yeah, lock it for me then, man. Yeah, man, because we don't want nobody know so we have it, you know, because I want to come, please. So you lock it.
So me I go and lock it with Jenna 3.5, but you I give you the 3 million out and keep the 5.
Alright.
So we have $3,000 here for you from Jen.
Jen?
Yes, from Canada.
Jen from Canada, thank you very much, yeah? May the good Lord bless you, Ben, and keep you safe. Thanks again.
Yeah, man, so that's Jen from Canada. Yeah, man, so give thanks. Yeah, man, so that is it for today, guys. So I'm going to say blessed love and give thanks to all. Thank you so much for helping me, you know, this thing the world was. So give thanks to Watch out now, you see life in Jamaica. You hear that Kiri Acoustics fully endorsed that YouTube channel there. You hear that? Watch out now, no. Keep trying, keep moving. Someday we'll make it there. It's gonna be a better day. Gonna be a better end.